Dave at USA Performance Parts. I want to show you our Manley lightweight crankshaft and rotating assembly kit. It starts out with the 4340 forged Manley lightweight crank. These have lightweight counterweights that are undercut to get rid of a lot of weight without sacrificing any of the strength. If you look, all the mains are gun drilled. This has all the rod journals are lightened in it. This is a 43 and a half, 44 pound crank compared to a 55 pound normal crank. This is the 3480 stock stroke crank. Great for the circle track guys. This is a very affordable crank combination. We use the Molnar I-beam rods in it. This is their mid-weight rod, which is around 550 to 560 grams is all. Comes with their 3/8 ARP 2000 proprietary bolts, which have the lengthened grip length on it, and they have asymmetrical threads, so it's a very, very, very nice rod. The mid-weight rod is good for 650 horsepower at a little over 8,000 RPM. For the guys that aren't making that kind of power, we have the lightweight rod, which is good for 500 horsepower at 8,000 RPM. Again, it has the same ARP 2000 3/8 bolts with the asymmetrical threads. Either combination is great. This rod happens to be another 40 or 50 grams lighter than the midweight even, so they'll accelerate very, very fast. Along with this, we use the SRP Pro, which is a very lightweight, strong piston. Has the inboard forging, which gets rid of a lot of weight and still retains the strength in it. This is a flat top for the guys that have to run a flat top version. The ring package is their ring package, a 1.2 millimeter, 1.53 millimeter, so it's a low drag, very high ceiling ring package. Comes with the coated skirts, comes with round wire locks, uses a short 250 pin length with a 150 wall, so the whole piston and pin is a very, very lightweight package, and will handle the kind of power that 650 horsepower easily. For the guys that can run some compression, we also have the SRP Pro Dome Piston. Again, the same ring, 1.2, 1.53 millimeter low drag ring package, coated skirts, inboard forging, everything you're gonna need for a quick, nice lightweight package. We use the King XP bearings in it, which is a great performance bearing. It has a very tight tolerance on them, and they come with the dark gray black overlay on it. It's not a coating, but it is their overlay, which is a much stronger overlay than the lead overlays that most bearing companies use, and is easier on the crankshaft. We have these, we can furnish it completely balanced, ready to install in your engine. Give me a call. Any questions? Ready to order? 704-397-7979, or on the web at usaperform.com.